This last mod is like the kid who gets bullied in school. Nobody likes this mod. Nobody sits with this mod at lunch. This mod is annoying, and this mod needs to be banned. For the final adjustments, I'm honestly gonna put the one who watches and keep it.
Did the baby fish follow mother's instructions? Yes or no?
No.
Lagay mo. There was 3 sharks in the shark dam. Yes or no? 3 sharks ba sila o hindi? How many sharks? 3, di ba?
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
No?
Ano yung look like this? Hanap mo. How many look like?
Shark maze. Sige na, try it. He needs to Oh, help shark escape the maze and reach his dinner. He wants to eat. Sige na, eat na siya. Eat na si shark. Eat na si shark.